Legal Studies is a general senior syllabus subject that is offered at Chancellor State College. Legal Studies focuses on the interaction between society and the discipline of law. You will gain an understanding on how the legal system regulates activities and aims to protect the rights of individuals whilst at the same time balancing these with the needs of society. Knowledge of the law enables you to have confidence in approaching and accessing the legal system and will provide you with an appreciation of the influences that shape our laws. The primary skills of inquiry, critical thinking, problem solving and reasoning empower legal studies students to make informed and ethical decisions and recommendations. Legal studies satisfies interest and curiosity as you will question, explore and discuss tensions between changing social values, justice and equitable outcomes. On the screen now is the rationale taken from the Queensland Legal Studies syllabus. If you would like to read through this, please pause the video now. Legal Studies sits within the Humanities learning area and is a general subject, meaning it will contribute to your Australian Tertiary Admission Rank, commonly known as your ATAR calculation, and your Queensland Certificate of Education or QCE. Your Legal Studies course will be made up of 4 units. Unit 1 is Beyond a Reasonable Doubt. This topic covers the foundations, features and processes of the Australian legal system with a focus on criminal law. You will also look at criminal investigation processes, criminal trial processes and punishment and sentencing. Unit 2 is the Balance of Probabilities. This covers topics such as civil law foundations, contractual obligations, negligence and duty of care. Unit 3 is Law, Governance and Change, a unit that will focus on the role of legal institutions and lawmaking bodies in creating laws that reflect the views of society. It covers contemporary issues of law reform and change arising from areas of law such as family law, technology law, criminal law, counter-terrorism laws, employment law and corporate law. In Unit 4, you will study human rights. You will explore the global context for human rights and how international laws and institutions affect Australia. You will also analyse the effectiveness of international law in upholding human rights and investigate how this area of law is addressed in Australia. Legal studies students will also have the opportunity to participate in extracurricular activities such as the USC mooting competition, whereby students present arguments in a mock court scenario. You will also have the opportunity to view trials and sentencing hearings in the Supreme and District Courts in Brisbane and have access to guided research sessions in the USC Law Library and the Supreme Court Library. As with all humanities subjects, you will complete 2 to 4 formative assessments over Units 1 and 2 and 3 internal and 1 external summative assessments over Unit 3 and 4. Your assessments will include combination response exams, inquiry reports and investigative argumentative essays. A course of study in legal studies can establish a basis for further education and employment in the fields of law, law enforcement, criminology, justice studies and politics. The knowledge, skills and attitudes legal studies students gain are transferable to all discipline areas and post-schooling tertiary pathways. The research and analytical skills this course develops are universally valued in business, health, science and engineering industries. Legal studies enables you to appreciate how the legal system is relevant to you and your communities. It is not just for those wanting to become lawyers. Having an understanding of how the law operates and knowing your basic rights and responsibilities will assist you regardless of what field of further education or work you enter into following Year 12.